my financial families. It's been a long time since I dropped off a video. Just wanted to give you updates on new um stocks that we are investing in 2026. So, well, happy New Year to all, and hope your 2026 plan is including continuing investing. Because if you want to continue make money, you have to be consistent. You have to be um in the market. Your feet has to be in, your hands has to be in, your mind has to be in order for you to make money long term. Because investing is a long term. uh, I will say that until the day you either retired or either um uh, or you're no longer on earth. Pretty much it's on the until the day you die, pretty much. Because Warren Buffett, who is 94, 95, he's still investing. He's not retiring. He's retiring from all doing all the works, but he already put in the work. So he's still investing, he's still buying, he's still selling, he's still doing everything. So you are in it for the long term. So if you're in your 20s, 30s, and 40s and 50s, you have another, you have a lot of time ahead of you to continue doing this in 60s and 70s and 80s. Yeah, so there's no retirement in investing. There's a continuation on investing. Okay, so let's move on. So if you are new, welcome. For those of you who have subscribed, thank you. And also for any of you that are new, please subscribe so we can build the channel, continuing in building it. I'm going to continue putting in videos so we can continue investing. So let me know if you are making money, because with the penny stocks, as I mentioned to you before from previous videos, that whenever you buy them, always test yourself with $100. Buy $100 worth of that stock, any new penny stock, because the old one you already test yourself to see what's the worth. If you see that a penny stock is constantly making you money, you have to consistently investing in it. So you buy, you wait until it goes down, really down, and then you buy again. But the new one, you have to test it to buy $100 and see if it's worth making money. So if you make money off of it, then you continue buying it. If you feel like that it's not making you money, just sitting there, then that's your way of saying, okay, it's not worth my time. So you can continue buying old ones that are making you money, or either you can try new ones. That's the way that I do it. As I mentioned to you, once you make money on penny stock, whether you make $10, $20, let's say you spend $100 and you make $10 off of it, you cash it out. Don't wait, because sometimes these companies, yes, sometimes you just bought the stock and then the next day it shoot up. What I love about the penny stock is like sometimes out of the blue, this company has these um good news that happened to the company. Like maybe somebody invested in them, they raised 100 and something million, or somebody else is working with them, and there's good news. And sometimes the stock shoot up for like 300%, 100%, 30, 40, 50, 60%. So that's where you make your money. So when you see that, you cash out. You don't wait until that it's going to grow more. No, you cash out, and then you wait until it goes down again. You buy into it again. So that's for any other stocks, you can wait, like any high price stocks. Yes, you can wait, but with penny stock, when you make money, cash it out. That's your whole purpose, is to make money now. Okay, so my mantra for this year is to continue investing, both in regular stocks and penny stocks. And also with crypto, as you know, crypto has been like sitting there and not moving, well, moving backward instead of forward. So hopefully things will work out in the long term. In the near future, like really near, like maybe within this month or next month coming up, which is, well, we're already in February. So pretty much we hope that everything's just moving forward from there. Okay, so right now the recipe of continuing investing, that you are rooted. You have to look yourself as a you have to look yourself as a tree. You are rooted in the ground, meaning that you are doing the work, you are putting in the work, you are watering the plants, and you are feeding, you are putting mulch around the tree trunk to make sure that it flourishes. That's what we do with investing. We plant it first, which is our foundations, and then we water it, and then we put mulch around it to make it sure that it grew. And then I'm receptive and I'm abundant. So when you eventually you're going to be over time, you're going to be abundant once you start seeing the way you make money. So that's will be your abundance right there. Okay, so the new stocks that I'm investing in is I'm giving you a whole list. So that way you're gonna have stocks that you can like investing in them on a weekly basis or monthly basis. You don't necessarily have to buy all of them all at once, but if you want to, you can. But for me, there's like 16 stocks, and most of them has like warrants with them, so you can buy the warrants and buy the stocks. You make double the money of that. So okay, so the first one is the GWH. The next one is the Euro, and the next one is the DSY and the DSYWW. That's the warrants. The next one is the WCT. The next one is the WAI. WAI is an AI company. When anything that say AI, please buy it because it, there's a lot of companies that deal with AI these days. So anything that say AI, buy it. HOVR and the HOVRW, the Joby and the Joby W, the BTBD and the BTBDW, the mask, the AEVA and the AEVAW, the CYBL. I think that one is like an over-the-counter. With over-the-counter stocks, it's like whenever you buy it and it's really cheap, just buy as much as you can, because I do see that Fidelity, if you're trying to add more to it, they don't allow you. They just so if you're gonna buy for $100 or $200, just buy for the amount that you decide to buy. Don't test it, because it's like they don't allow you to add more to it. Okay, the next one is the TYGO, and then the next one is the TYGOW. The next one is the PDYM, and the next one is the NCPL and the NCPLW. That's the warrants. So when you see two stocks and you see a W at the end of it, that's a warrant, meaning it's the stocks and the warrants. So it's the same company, but they sell the warrants in the stocks. And then the next one is the NNAV W, and then the NNAV, that's the regular stocks, and then the PDYN and the PDYNW, and then the NCPL and the NCPLW. So pretty much you have a whole month or a whole week worth of buying stocks. So, as I mentioned to you, always try to test the stocks to see for $100, buy it, and then if you see that it shoot up, read the name, always try to Google it and see if the company is making money. And then you could see, you have to read about the company, if they are making money, what product they are selling or services they are selling. So that way you know how to invest in it, continue investing in it. So as I mentioned to you, those are the stocks that I'm going to invest in this month, which is February the 1st today. So yay, Valentine's. Yes. So as I mentioned to you before, that always, if you have questions, comment below. Let me know if you are making money, if you have any questions about investing, as far as like how to start, when to start. And also you can always start with $100. You can open an account with fidelity.com to buy them. Because with Fidelity, it allows you to buy penny stocks. Some of the other brokers, they may not allow you, but fidelity.com, open an account with them, because you can open as many accounts with Fidelity. You can open your retirement account, your stock account, your crypto account, your anything account. Fidelity is flexible, so you can open with them. Well, that's one of the company that you can open with them, but you can use any other company that you choose. However, I'm just going to leave it there. So you have to see yourself as a tree. Always see yourself as a tree. You are growing leaves by leaves every day or every week. If you keep watering the plants, the bottom of the plants, it's going to grow and grow, meaning that every time you buy $100, every time you buy $200 of the stock, you make money off of it, you are growing your money. That's the way you are multiplying your money. So just look at it as a tree. You are growing a tree. Eventually it's going to grow taller and taller and abundant, and it's going to have many leaves. The leaves represent money. So you have to look at it that way, in that sense. Because at some point you're going to see the branches, they grow many leaves, and they keep on growing branches and branches and branches. You're going to keep on multiplying. That's how you need to look at it. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.